Hi, in today's video we want to talk about sheets and how to select them. You can see here in the bottom I have sheet 1 until sheet 19. It's very easy to insert a new one and a new one, and I can also see move very quick from here to every sheet I want, any sheet I want. But the problem is that, for example, I want to delete sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. How I select them? It's very easy. If I want to select one sheet to do something with it, I just select it. Okay, now it's selected. You can see here it's selected. I have this gray here. If the tab is red, it's red. The selection will be with red here. So this is my selection. I can delete this sheet. Okay, I'm sure I undo that. So this is how I select one sheet. How to select these three sheets, 1, 2 and 3. I go to 1, I press shift and 2 and 3, or if I want to select until sheet 10, I click on sheet 10. You can see everything is selected until sheet 10. If I keep shift pressed and I go to sheet 20, everything is selected. You can see I have a gray selection over there. Okay, so now what is selected, it's just sheet 1. Let's repeat. So I want to go from 10 to 13. So I go to 10, I press shift and press one by one, or I can press to the last one and everything is selected. I can now delete 10 to 13 and I don't have that sheet. Let's undo. Now let's see how to select, for example, just sheet 2 and 4 and 6 and 8 and 10. I go to 2, I press Ctrl, I go to 4, I keep Ctrl pressed, I go to 6, 8 and 10. And now, for example, let's change the color to blue. Okay, so you can see I have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 different color. Let's select one with pressing Ctrl. I keep Ctrl pressed and I click on 7 and 9 and 11. Let's right click. With this selection I want to go to purple. So I have different sheets with different colors. Of course I can do anything with that selection. I can delete them and so on. So that was all about selecting sheets. So to recap, one sheet is selected when I have this white selection here and the color is in the bottom, a line instead of a color. If I want to select more sheets with shift, and if I go here, everything is selected. From first selection, press shift, the last sheet, and everything here is selected. If I want to select just 3 and 5, I press Ctrl and press 5, and now 3 and 5 are selected. 4 is not selected. If I delete them, only 3 and 5 will be deleted. Okay, so I don't have 3 and I don't have 5 here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you.